before we get plastered, we're going to get hammered. Now I'm going to show you how to fix that easily, okay? Hi, welcome back to Get Plastered with Andy. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to fix that hole I just made when I got hammered. Are you ready? So basically what we need is water, Plaster of Paris. You can buy this at most general stores in small quantities. Just need a little bit of water. And I'm just going to sprinkle some of this in there. And then, there we go, keep doing that. So you don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin. So what you want is like that amount. Yeah, you can see where there's like a little mountain in there. And just give that like a, you can give it longer to settle in, but it's just fine like that now. So I'm going to always, as I always do, get the old trusty lard out as my release agent on my hands, because this stuff sticks very well. Okay. The reason I'm using Plaster of Paris is because it's so much quicker than it is to use general drywall mud for like small patching jobs. So this is burlap. It's a small tool which you can just use a spoon or whatever, or we can just use a scraper. So these are just the general tools, nothing fancy. Okay. Now I'm going to put this in here, and this just plugs the hole. As I say, it's burlap, and you just soak that in your Plaster of Paris, and stick that behind there like that, behind there like that, there like that, then like that. So what you want is just to have it there like that, and just let it sit for a bit. I know it's hanging out the wall, but you just want to slowly push her in. So while this is doing this is starting to set up. This takes a little bit of time to set up. And the joy of using Plaster of Paris is this won't need sanding. Okay, so if you've got allergies or anything like that, there's no sanding. It's natural material as well. This is really good stuff. We've been using this stuff for thousands of years. Yeah, so like it's a lot quicker using this stuff. You know, that's why I like it. You can be in and out, you know, within 20 minutes. I'm just letting this sit for a sec while I wash my hands. As you can see, with that old lard on there, which comes off lovely. Right, I'm going to play with some of this stuff here. You see, this is what the texture it's at the moment. This is actually really nice like that. Literally just go like this. You notice as I'm going around the hole, I'm going into it, yeah? Because you just, that's how you do it. It helps it get into it more. So basically, you can just use a scraper. I'm going to scrape off half of it here, like that. This is not done yet. Now I've got to leave this for literally, I don't know, a couple of minutes while it's still setting. Meanwhile, I can wash my tools. Yeah, so basically this has taken 5 minutes to set up so far. And it's not finished yet. I'm going to finish it right now with this Plaster of Paris. And this is a joy. You can be in and out of a job in one day with this stuff. Yeah, it's like really good stuff. So if you've got small patches in your house, the Plaster of Paris is definitely the best way to go. I'm going to show you with this as well. You know, you just go like that, and this is just a finish off. Yeah. So that. No sanding, and that won't crack. Oh, a little bit there. That won't crack because of the burlap, and this part is probably the strongest part of the wall now. You know. Thank thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, just hit the button. And if you'd like to know how to texture a wall by hand, watch the video above. And let's get plastered.